support and giving us videos timely and giving us all the quiz questions and all timely and making our FDP a grand success. On this note, I would also like to thank uh, our management, our secretary sir, Mr. T.V. Reddy garu, our principal madam, Dr. Shilata, our controller of examinations, Dr. Brahmaya sir, our dean IQAC, Dr. Sharma sir, and all my dear HODs. Thank you all for your best wishes and the constant support you all have given us. I think we made this day possible because of all your support. On this note, I also request Madhavi, the coordinator of this program, to give a brief report on this, on what we have conducted these 5 days.
Yeah.
Madhavi, continue.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Am I hear you?
Yes, you're audible.
Yes, you're audible, ma'am.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Madhavi Karamudi, assistant professor in CS department. Right now, working as a coordinator for this 1 week national level FTP on Ruby and Perl. Every beginning has an end, and every end is a new beginning. So, our national level 1 week FTP on Ruby and Perl has come to an successful end. First of all, hearty welcome to the participants, faculties, and dignitaries for the valedictory function of this 1 week national level FTP on Ruby and Perl, successfully organized by CSC Department of St. Peter's Engineering College in association with IIT Bombay Spoken Tutorial Project, remote learning through Spoken Tutorial. Let's begin this valedictory with a 6 days brief report on Ruby and Perl FDP. As our FDP started on 3rd June with 1,000 faculty members from 400 plus colleges all over India. Every day by sharp 10 a.m., daily schedule of video lectures have been posted in the WhatsApp groups through our website link. So we are very glad to say that we have launched our department website in this lockdown period for posting all our daily activities, and we used the same website for posting and guiding the participants to watch the videos and to attempt daily quizzes. This entire website creation credit goes to our one of the faculty member, Mr. Amog sir, who is helping me and coordinating me towards this 1 week FDP. And every day sharp 7 p.m., learning questionnaire in the form of quiz was posted in the WhatsApp groups. We used to post a quiz through our department website link only for the faculty. A great number of
Mr. Shashanko Shekhar, please don't share. Yes, Madhavi, you can continue.
Every day sharp 7 p.m. learning questionnaire in the form of quiz was posted in the WhatsApp groups. We used to post this quiz through our department website itself for the faculties, and a great number of participants were attended for the quiz on each day. On an average, 762 faculty participated in the daily quizzes. It's a very good response from participant side. And the very next day of the quiz, active participants list was posted in the groups to encourage all the enthusiastic participants for their participation. A few additional useful resources on Ruby and Perl are forwarded in the WhatsApp groups as to meet the participants to acquire more knowledge on Ruby and Perl language. And they are also forwarded links for executing Ruby and Perl programs through online. Finally, from day 1 to day 5, students are requested to maintain a course journal consisting of learning outcomes of all 5 days video. And they are requested to upload this course journal at the time of submitting their feedback, that is on tomorrow, June 8th, 2020. Once this is all about our 1 week national level FDP on Ruby and Perl. Once again, Heartily congratulations and thanks to all the participants for such an active participation in all the FDP related activities during all these 5 days. Thank you once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Madhavi. In this, I would like to tell one thing to all the participants. An average mark of 7 out of 10 is the average mark in the quiz. So I congratulate each and everyone. So almost each and everyone will be receiving an e-certificate. Regarding the e-certificate, within 1 week, I will make sure that each and every one of you will be getting the certificate into your mails. Tomorrow we'll be sharing a feedback form. All of you, please give your correct names, correct mail IDs, and correct college names. Without any, see later it's very difficult for us to make changes. Please give your correct information in the feedback form. We'll consider the feedback form as the final data what we are receiving from you. Based on the feedback form data only, we are going to give you the e-certificate. Please, everybody, please note this. Make a note of this because there is a huge number. There are almost 800 certificates what we'll have to send. By that, please give your data correctly in the feedback form so that there will be no confusion for us. And on this note, I request our principal, Dr. Brahmaya Garu, and he's also the controller of examinations. I request him to please speak a few words. Sir, actually, we missed your speech in the last, in the inaugural function.
Yes, madam, due to some problem in the link connection.
Yes, sir, yes.
Respected Secretary, sir, Principal Dr. Srilata madam, HOD, CSC department and convener of the program, Dr. Sarada Varalakshmi, co-conveners, Mr. Amog and Mrs. Madhavi, faculty of CSC department and HODs of other departments, my dear participants, both faculty and students. Very good afternoon to all. Madam, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Okay. There is a tremendous response for the program with 1,000 registrations from 345 colleges across India. It is associated with IIT Bombay. It is really a wonderful program, madam. It is useful for both faculty and students. CSC department is very active. This FDP created awareness about the subject to the students in advance so that they can do well in their mid-examinations and final examinations. And nearly 746 participants written examination, and the average mark is 7 by 10. That is 70% is very good. They understood very well and they did very well. I request all the participants to utilize the knowledge gained here. I congratulate the convener and HOD of CSC department, Dr. Sarada Varalakshmi, and the co-conveners, Mr. Amog and Mrs. Madhavi, and the faculty of CSC department for successfully conducting this wonderful FDP. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you one and all.
Thank you very much, sir. Thanks for those good words.
Thank you.
Now I request our principal madam, Dr. Srilata, to please address the gathering.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Respected Secretary and Correspondent of St. Peter's Engineering College, Sri T.V. Reddy Garu, Controller of Examination, Dr. Brahmaya Garu, Dean IQAC, Dr. C.S.N. Sharma Garu, my beloved HOD of CSC Department, Dr. Sharada Varalakshmi Madam, today's special conveners of this particular program, Mr. Amog Deshmukh and Mrs. Madhavi, participants from all over India, and the person behind the organization of this program that we are doing in association with IIT Bombay, Madam Pooja Singh. Good afternoon, one and all. I thank Madam Pooja Singh for allowing our college to do such a wonderful program on Ruby and Perl programming, which is a unique webinar. All these days, we were used to the general sort of webinars that are being conducted by various colleges all over India. But this program is a unique program where you will be given with a task to complete, especially on outcome-based education. I request Pooja ma'am to assist us in organizing these sort of programs even in the other disciplinary branches of engineering. It will be helpful even for the other branches of engineering also if you can help us to organize so. And I came to know through the coordinator Madhavi ma'am that we have got an alarming response. And out of the 1,000 participants, more than 800 participants have participated well and are eligible to get certificate in this week's time. I congratulate all the members for participating in this event, and thanks all the participants for trusting us and by joining our college. I especially thank our management for readily accepting our request and permitting us to do these sort of webinars. To name so, this is around the 13th webinar which we are organizing in our college of all the disciplines, and this is the third webinar of the computer science department. My special thanks to the members of this program, and congratulations to the head of the department and the conveners and the department faculty members. Thank you one and all. Sir.
Thank you so much, madam. Thanks for those wonderful words on our department. Thank you very much. I request our secretary, Sri TV Reddy Garu.
Sir will join in a second.
Okay. Okay. I request our technical manager or team manager of IIT Bombay Spoken Tutorials, Pooja Singh, to please share her experience. Firstly, I would like to thank you, Pooja, for those wonderful videos. The videos are looks very simple, but they have so much of knowledge in depth. That's really amazing. Thank you for sharing all those videos. It's really, we are very, very grateful to you. And looking forward for many such videos to our students also. Pooja, if you can please share your views on this FDP, we'll be very happy.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Sharda ma'am, for sharing your valuable feedback on videos.
Yes.
Actually, we have prepared these videos on very basic level so that each and every faculty can learn easily, because they are working, because they are using this videos to learn Ruby and Perl. So we have prepared these all videos are prepared on very basic level. So thank you so much that you people got many things in the video and learn. And I'm really happy to see that like out of 1,000 plus participants, 800 were active and they have participated and also submitted daily quiz. So first of all, I really like to thank the management of St. Peter's Engineering College and CSC department faculty and Dr. Sharda Madhvi ma'am and also Amog sir, who all have taken the initiative to provide the training to all these 300 plus colleges, wherein around 800 plus faculty members learn Ruby and Perl. And I'm really happy to share this thing that Ruby and Perl programming, this is something unique which only St. Peter Engineering College has conducted in Telangana state till the date. So this is really fantastic, ma'am, that you people have taken initiative and chosen something which is really unique, and you move ahead and conducted very well. So this is something very nice, and I really congratulate Sharda ma'am and his whole team members and the management of St. Peter's Engineering College for completing the training successfully. And I thank to all the participants who taken interest and learn from these courses, and also hope they will use it in their near future and they will provide the same program to their student as well, so that their student will get also chance to learn something different. And because you already have completed the training, so as per the given rate, we will be going to get the final list from our coordinator Sharda ma'am and Madhvi ma'am. You please share the list, okay, final list, so that we can provide means we can ask our technical team to generate the certificate for all those participants. Once the certificate will generated within 1 or 2 days, I'll be sharing the same with you, and you can forward to all the participants. Okay, so this is how we will be moving. And for test, because you all have practiced very well, so for test, I guess there will be no issue from our end. So you all can come whenever we are planning for test. You all can come, attend the test, and get the completion certificate as well. Okay. So if anybody have any query related to how to do test, how to get the certificate or anything, please do contact me, or you people can write to me. You already have my details. So please let me know if anybody need any help right now.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for trusting us. If possible, through IIT Bombay, I request you to permit us to organize various webinars like this and the other disciplines also.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. We will be always there to organize such wonderful workshop for you people, and we also need your help to go ahead for the same. So thank you very much, you all.
Sure. Thank you.
Pooja, can you please elaborate on the final test which would be conducted at your premises or something like that,
Yeah.
online examination? Yeah, please elaborate on that.
Yeah, online. Yeah. Online examination will be of 45 minutes, wherein objective and subjective type of questions will be given to you. You all can write from your own place by using the credential which we are going to share on your given email IDs. So you all will be going to get one credential on your given email IDs by within like 48 hours, which you all have to save for near future. Whenever we schedule the test, we will be sending a mail to all of you. So one mail is also going to be sent all the participants that whenever we are going to have the test, whenever the test date will be finalized. Okay, you all can write the test from your premises only. So there's no need of going outside or anywhere. It will be of 45 minutes, and it will consist objective and subjective type of questions.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. All the participants, please remember.
Any further details, Sharda ma'am?
That's it. Let me complete. All the participants, please remember, once you take the test conducted by IIT Bombay directly for 45 minutes, you'll be getting a course completion certificate. The certificate what we are giving you tomorrow is only a participation certificate. The certificate what you get from the 45 minutes test, which will be conducted across the country, you get the course completion certificates. That's the difference. That is what the test that is directly conducted by IIT Bombay people, or indirectly by Ms. Pooja Singh. Am I right, Pooja? Yeah, I think, yes. Thank you very much, all the participants. I request our secretary, Shri TV Reddy Garu, who has joined just now. Please, sir, please address the
Hello.
Sir, unmute. Sir, unmute.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Ms. Pooja Singh, the person who is in charge from the IIT Mumbai and Bombay, and principal of St. Peter's Engineering College, Dr. Srilata. The person behind this show, Dr. Sharda Lakshmi, the HOD of CSC department, Ms. Madhavi, and I think Amog and other people who are coordinators for this. And my dear participants, it's a huge number, but now I think we have around 132 here in this particular program. And I'm so happy to see that this mega program has come to an end. And I'm happy that, all of you are going to get a double certificate, because in the beginning, we have only seen a participation certificate. Now you're going to get a course completion certificate from IIT Bombay. That's a very, very nice news. And I'm thankful to the people of IIT Bombay, Pooja Singh and other people there. And I hope, as principal rightly requested, we are eager to be partners with you in conducting various programs for other branches, or even for CSC one more. And any other program, even after, not only online, even offline, we'll be happy to be associated. And I would like to congratulate all the participants and thank all the people who are involved. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for those valuable words. Thank you, sir. All the participants, please remember, tomorrow we'll be sharing you the feedback form. You'll have to complete the feedback form with your correct credentials. Please, again and again, we cannot make changes. Please give your correct credentials when you are filling up the feedback form, so that you can get your e-certificate correctly. Okay, Mr. Amog.
Yeah, ma'am.
Amog. Yeah, regarding the course journal and all, you just briefly tell them how to submit and all.
Yeah. Good evening, all of the participants. Just wanted to thank all the participants for attending this 1 week FDP on Ruby and Perl programming. Tomorrow we will be sending you a feedback form within which you can attach your soft copy. So if you have written the course journal, for each day you will have to write a page separately, right? So you can write it manually, take a photo and upload it, make it a PDF file and upload it also. Or if you have written it in using a Word, you can attach the Word file also for that feedback. Within the feedback, I think either in the feedback or we will give you 2 separate forms. Based on that, you have to attach that particular course journal that you have created. So either way, you have to do it tomorrow as we send you. We will send you the links within the group as well as we will post it on the website also.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ramo. Any of the participants, if you want to share your experiences, please give us the feedback, how we can improve in our next sessions and all. Any of the participants? Anyone, please share your experiences.
Namaskar, ma'am.
Namaskar.
Myself Piyush Parekh from IS University, Jaipur. The experience with the session is very nice. It is being conducted by Amol sir very smoothly. First of all, I will congratulate you and your team for conducting the session very smoothly.
Thank you.
I just have few things. They are not positive because you have given a positive support for us. We have learned many things from this in the lockdown period. If you can share these videos with the Google Drive to us, it will be more beneficial for us.
Okay.
Second, if you can share the quiz that we have given also with us so that we can brush up the skills whenever we have some time.
Sure, sure.
And Amol sir that had given us the platform that we can practice the Ruby on that particular website link and the Perl.
Yeah.
These are very beautiful things. On that platform, I have one query of the yesterday's question. That platform has given a different answer, and when I submitted on the quiz, it had given a different answer. It is regarding the question number 2.
We'll check. We'll check, sir. We'll check.
But no problem. It doesn't matter at all.
Yeah.
Because it's just a quiz. We have learned many things from here.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you, ma'am, for your support.
What was your score?
Ma'am, my score was, I think it is 50. Just have to check. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. We'll see. Actually,
it doesn't matter at all. I had cleared it.
Okay.
It doesn't matter at all. It is just a query for that because what I had seen over there is some difference.
Okay, sir. We'll see. We'll make the changes accordingly. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your positive feedback. Thank you so much. I request any of other participants to please share their experience so that we can improve.
Ma'am, one more thing I want to ask to Pooja, ma'am. Shall we have to pay something to give that examination of the IIT Bombay?
No, sir. Because we are already partnered with the St. Peter's Engineering College. So we are conducting this training in association with St. Peter's College. So there's no charges for completion. Okay.
Okay. Will you be giving us
any
a hard copy of the certificate also?
No, e-certificate will get generated. Okay, on the spot when you complete the test.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, after 45 minutes, whenever you submit, like once you submit the test, you will get the e-certification on the spot.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sure. All the
Okay, sir.
participants, please, all the videos will be in our website for the next 1 week. If anybody wants to just browse through, you can. They'll be available in our CSC department website for the next 1 week. This is for your information. Any other participants who would like to share their experiences? Okay, sir. On this note, I would like to close the session. I really thank, yes, Anand Babu, please.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. I'm
evening.
Anand Babu from Sedamal Engineering College, Tamil Nadu, ma'am.
Oh,
It
nice.
was very wonderful course, ma'am. Ruby and Perl. From the beginning, I don't know about the language. Now I know about the Ruby and Perl. It was very useful for very wonderful coordination from every time WhatsApp group correctly send the timing coordination. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for in the lockdown period conducting this FDP. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, sir, with all your support. Without your
Thank you, ma'am.
support, we wouldn't have done
Thank you.
anything. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening.
I am Desai from ACE Engineering College.
Yes, sir.
It was really very good program that you conducted. The quiz was excellent. It was not very tough quiz actually.
Yes, sir.
But it created interest in learning the subject.
Yes.
It was very nicely prepared quiz.
Thank
and
you.
the conduct was very good. Videos were very good.
Thank you, sir.
And thank you for sharing the video links of various sources on YouTube.
Yes.
I would like to add on tutorials point, online compiler is also there for Ruby.
Yeah.
Along with the notes, we can run our program on online compiler. We need not install on our computer also.
Okay.
Thanks for doing the, thanks for
That's
accepting
really
my
good information. Sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
Myself, Srikanth from Nalla Narasimha Reddy Engineering College.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
I really thankful for organizing this FDP program, madam.
Thank you, sir.
And I really appreciate your work for conducting this program, madam. And I will say that there are many webinars and FDPs are conducted during lockdown.
Yes.
But I already attended many FDPs. But there, what I observe is there the live telecast was being done, and many of them were only for certificates.
Yeah.
Many of them used to ask attendance link and feedback form.
Yes.
But here it is given free, the participant can read the go through the videos. It means interested participants can do it.
Yes, sir.
They will watch the videos and they will write the exam. This is one good thing I observed from apart from other FDPs.
Thank you very much, sir. All this is with the help of Pooja Singh of Bombay.
This work was very good, madam. Only interested candidates can go through the videos and can write the exam.
Yes, yes.
And I see many of them left because they are not interested of watching the videos. This work was very good.
But still, we got put the numbers, sir. It's almost of 780 to 800 every day.
Yeah, very good number.
Yeah.
Thank you, madam.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Madam, I am Desai once again. Here.
Yeah.
I would like to thank Amog Deshmukh for interacting with me whenever I had doubts.
Sure.
I had doubts.
Thank you, sir.
I would like to, only admins can post in this WhatsApp group from your side. So
Yes.
there were a couple of doubts I had interacted with him. He was very prompt. And thank you, Amog, for helping.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. On this note, I think I should finally thank our Secretary, sir, for giving his extended support, our Principal, Madam, Dr. Srilata, for really joining us both for the inaugural and valedictory and permitting us to do such a successful webinar. Instead of saying webinar, it's FDP. Our Controller of Examinations, Dr. Brahmaya Garu, for his support throughout the sessions. Our IQAC Director, Anurag sir, our IQAC Dean Sharma sir, and all the HODs Really, thanks for your blessings and wonderful support. And Pooja, a very, very special thanks to you for giving this opportunity to conduct this. And to my coordinators, both Madhavi and Amog, I know literally they have faced so many queries for the past 1 week. They were really only on WhatsApp groups for the past 5 days. Thank you both. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you,
Both
ma'am.
of you really require a special appreciation from each and every one of us. Thanks, and definitely we promise that we'll be continuing the same enthusiasm for the coming days also. Thank you, one and all. Thank you so much.
Shada ma'am, one thing I want to add.
Yeah, please.
Hello.
Yes,
Yeah. Ma'am, ma'am, it's really good to see that you have conducted training with enthusiasm, with your enthusiasm in your department. But I want all the departments should get involved. So I request your management as well to involve all other departments.
Definitely.
Okay. Yeah.
We'll start the Scilab in the next session. Mostly by Wednesday, I'll get back to you.
Okay, sure, ma'am, please.
Scilab, as we have already discussed now, we are just in the discussion with all our faculty also. We'll start with Scilab mostly by Wednesday. We'll start. I'll get back to you again.
Okay, sure, ma'am.
Tomorrow onwards,
Good
anyway,
to see such
all our faculty. So in that, I'll discuss and I'll let you know how we are going to do and what we are going to do about it.
Okay, sure, ma'am.
All the participants, we are also having a Scilab workshop or FDP in the next coming days. Please, if anyone interested, we'll keep the WhatsApp group active so that if someone is interested, you can really join them. Thank you very much. Thank you all.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much.